Marin County, California, the second largest oyster producer in the state. It's also home to a shrinking number of dairies that are finding it tough to cope with increasing environmental regulations, rules that protect the bay and the oysters from potentially harmful runoff created by cows.
You know, back in the 50s, there was well over 200 dairies in West Marin, or in Marin County, period. Today, there's 23, 24 dairies.
And what do you attribute that to?
A lot of regulation. Where we had aerated, there was moisture 30 inches down.
Now those dairy farmers are teaming up with scientists from UC Cooperative Extension to create solutions like these sediment basins that trap water runoff at the dairy.
And there in that the sediment can settle, the manure can settle, and all the nutrients and pathogens that are attached to them are here in this kind of material rather than making it all the way down to the creek.
And what flows to the creek eventually flows into the bay, where water quality is closely monitored. When levels are too high, oyster farmers are unable to harvest, a problem that used to create tension between these two important farming communities.
I think the dairymen understand that the oyster farming is an important part of the community and the economy here, and they like oysters too, so I think they'd like to see us around it. And we buy their milk.
This area, the kind of the top of the hill as you go down, this is our silage field. And again,
this fifth-generation farmer admits it's the small steps and the big partnerships that have meant growing harmony between dairy and oyster farmers, both of whom are crucial to the economy of Marin County and the future of farming.
These are all family-run farms and family-run oyster production. They're local business folks, and I just like to see that that strength of that community maintained.
So 7 generations in California, 5 generations in West Marin.
In Marin County, Kristen Samos for UC Davis.
4.